Okay, hello everyone. I hope you all are keeping well. So, once again, I am present with another topic from geography, that is Asia. So, here in this chapter, I am going to cover the political division as well as the physical features of the Asia. Okay, so without any further delay, let's proceed. We all know that Asia, the largest continent in the world in terms of both size and population, and it occupies almost 30% of the Earth's surface. Okay, because of its enormous size, Asia physically and culturally one of the most diverse continent in the world. In fact, Asia is described as the continent of the contrast because of its diverse features. Okay, diversity in the relief, diversity in the climate, diversity in your vegetation. Okay, now let's have a look to the different reason why the Asian continent of the contrast. Okay, the highest peak in the world, that is Mount Everest, and the lowest point of the earth is Dead Sea. Both are situated in Asia. Okay, both are located in Asia. You can see in the map Mount Everest and the Dead Sea. And another features you see, Asia has the largest desert like Gobi and Thar, and it also has the wettest place on the earth, that is Mawsynram and Cherrapunji in Meghalaya. Okay, so here you can see the climatic contrast. Okay, then another peculiar features, let's see, it has the coldest place on the earth as well as the hottest places you see in the lowest temperature of minus 67 degrees Celsius has been recorded, and in the Iran where the place called the 59 degree Celsius has been recorded in the month of June. You see the climate contrast in the same continent. Okay, then another reason why Asia is considered as the continent of the contrast, it has the most densely populated region of the earth, that is Gangetic plain, where the density of the population is 1000% per square kilometer, and it has the least densely populated region of the world where the density of population is only 2% per square kilometer. Okay, so this is the variation in the density. Okay, so these all are the reason why Asia is considered as the continent of contrast. Okay, now let's have a look on the location. Okay, this is the north to south latitudinal extension. North to south, the mainland of the Asia extends from your latitudes 43 minutes north to 1 degree 16 minutes north, when the numerous islands of the Indonesia are included. The southern boundary of Asia stretches off to 10 degree 50 minutes. Now you all see in the map here, see, this is the line of the your equator. Okay, this Asia mostly lies in the northern hemisphere. These all are your Asian countries. Okay, so from this extension we can understand Asia mostly lies, only some part of your Indonesian island that lies to your south of the equator, otherwise most of the part that lies in your northern hemisphere. Okay, longitudinally it stretches from Cape Baba here, Cape Baba in a Mediterranean Sea, shore of Turkey to your, here you can see the Cape Dezhnev in Russia. Okay, overlooking the Bering Strait, 169 degree 40 minutes west and 180 degree longitudes of the Bering Strait pass through the far eastern region of your Asia. Okay, as a result, while most of the Asia lies in the eastern hemisphere, these all are your eastern hemisphere. Okay, this is the eastern hemisphere of the world. Only the small portion of the Russia lies in your small portion of the Russia hemisphere. Okay, so this is the latitudinal and region of your Asia. Okay, we have already discussed about the latitudinal extension. Okay, you all go through the longitudinal extension once. Okay, then we have most important things to discuss here. Three important lines of latitude pass through Asia. One is your line of equator 0°, and another one is the Tropic of Cancer 23.5° north, and Arctic 66.5° north. Okay, so these three important line of latitudes pass through Asia. Okay, from here we can understand that Asia stretches across all the heat zones of the earth. Okay, these lines of the latitudes you need to remember. Three important lines of latitudes. Now next we will see the neighbors. Okay, Asia neighbors through the help of this map. Okay, you see, to the north it lies the Arctic Ocean, and to the east you all can see the Pacific Ocean, and to the south what is there? Indian Ocean. Okay, now to the west Asia is separated from Europe through the rough line of your Caspian Sea, Black Sea, and all this Red Sea. Okay, through the rough line of this water body, Asia is separated from the Europe to the west. Okay, here Suez Canal separates the Asia from Africa. Okay, so these all are the Asia neighbors and the boundaries of the Asia. We can roughly say these all are the rough boundaries of Asia. Okay, next we see okay, the countries of the Asia and the capitals are listed below in this table. You all can go through the name of the countries and their capital. But one important thing you need to remember here, according to the United Nations 2017, there were 48 countries in Asia. Okay, but Russia is counted as a part of the Europe by the United Nations. Okay, and there are some dependency territories like Taiwan, Hong Kong, and the Macau. Okay, so kindly go through the countries and their capitals, okay, which lies in the continent Asia. Now next we have a political division of the Asia, which is very important part of the chapter. Okay, see, political division. Here you will see the different region. Okay, to make it easier to study the vast continent of the Asia is classified into the groups or a region based on their cultural and the geographical factors. Okay, so these are your South Asia, then you have West Asia, Southeast Asia, Northern Asia, and Central Asia. So these are the 6 political division of Asia. Okay, now we will see through the map one by one. The South Asia, see, the South Asia includes India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. These all are the countries that included in your South Asia. Next, you see, this is your West Asia. This includes your Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Yemen, United Arab Emirates, Syria, Iraq. So these all countries are included in your West Asia. Okay, the European referred to this region as the Middle East, as it was located in the middle of the Asia, which lay to the east of Europe. Okay. This is your West Asia. Okay. Now see, next we have Southeast Asia. This includes, you can see the maps of the country: Indonesia, Malaysia, Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand, Myanmar, Laos. See, these all countries are included in your Southeast Asia. Okay. Now next, this is East Asia. Okay. Most prominently China, then Korea, okay, Japan here, then we have Mongolia, then we have okay, this 4 to 5 countries are included in your East Asia. Europeans call this region as the Far East. Okay, what? Far East. You need to remember Far East. Which region is considered as the Far East of the Asia? Then you have to say it is East Asia. Okay, then next we have Northern Asia. The Siberia and some part of the Russia has been included in your Northern Asia. Then we will see the next we have all Central Asia. You see Central Asia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Afghanistan. These all countries are included in your Central Asia. Okay, so these all are the 6 political division of Asia. Okay, so this is all about the part 1 video. So I'll be continuing with the physical features of the Asia in the next video. Okay, so I hope till here everything is clear. This much for today. Stay safe and happy. Bye bye.